So this is my lunch and part of my weight loss challenge here. I'm a teacher going back to school, so I need to lose some weight and slim down. So I'm making ceviche with cod and pineapple. I could not find fresh organic pineapple at the grocery store, so I am just using canned and cod on red onion. You know, I love red onion, and tomatoes, lime, lemon, cilantro, and some green onion. And I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'll figure it out later. Okay, so let's get started with these ingredients. it's TJ Brown. Thank you for joining me on my weight loss or slim down journey. Let's call it a slim down journey before school starts. But I have made my ceviche. It looks divine. And so I'm going to take some garnish. Of course, you know I recycle these onions, and I'm just going to put those on top and snip them and just put them on top just like this as a nice little garnish. Okay. And voila, I think I have a low-calorie, delicious, and healthy meal made from mostly organic ingredients if I can find them. And I also already prepped for my salmon for tonight using my bourbon peach salsa that I will put on my grilled salmon. And if you're interested in any of these recipes, I will include them in the link. Or if they haven't been posted yet, just look out for them when they come. And you can go to my website. I'll put that in the link as well to get a full recipe card, downloadable recipe cards, because as you can see, I don't really follow my own recipe, but if you need a recipe, it's available to you. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.